Hello everyone. Today I thought to create a video on RC, but uh, this time we will create a CTF and you will get to know that how CTF are created. So this may be a easy to medium level of CTF based on web. So let's start to create a CTF now. So in htdocs we will add the folder with extension of dot so it will be hidden. So I will first convert flag to the base 64. Then I will reconvert this to Unicode. But people sometimes think that it is difficult. Mhm. Even now I will start my XAMPP server. Try to access localhost. Normally available. So here you will not find any hidden file. Only Instagram file which I made previously. But right now there is no hidden file. So at first, whenever you try to solicit it, they will give a domain, top level domain and domain of whole web application on which you need to find a CTF. So you will get to know how to do that. Okay, a default page is not here. Give me a minute. I will bring him back. So we'll add this folder here. This is my default page on web application. Let's start. On every CTF, it will look same like this, like some default page and your URL, and you need to do that reboot forcing. If you don't have that particular uh, file, like dot hidden file or something, then you don't get that CTF actually. You are not able to solve that CTF. You need to make a separate word list or get a word list from sick list. So this is the best word list for right now. You can use this one. Now let's find our CTF, I mean the flag. Oh, not working. Oh, okay, it's the dot hidden file. If anyone come to this point, they may think there is nothing, but if they scroll down, they will get Unicode. So they need to decrypt this, I mean decode this. So they will get back the base 64. If someone don't know what this code is, they just leave this and think that I'm not able to find the flag. But if someone knows that if this is a base 64 because we have equal to sign after the like some string and start with a capital letter. So they may think this is a base 64 and they again decode this from base 64. So here you go, flag you academy. So this is how the CTF like web-based CTFs are made. This is a basic one. There may be a too hard one. So I will try to make more videos on this how to create a CTF on based on web from easy to hard level. And this is all about how I created the CTF. But if you are solving if you are there in any CTF competition and solving that, then people will obviously go for robots.txt. They don't find anything or some files. Then sitemap.xml or .git, but they don't find anything because these things are obvious nowadays. So everyone knows that here they will find the flag, but something like this they didn't expect that here something may be there or not. So try to be unique and create your own word list as well for better understanding. So this is all about this for this video. Thank you.